Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with me, Jamie, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Garnier 1 Minute Hair Mask. You do get them in 5 different types of mask, however I just have 4, and I have these 4, which is the Damage and Treat Papaya, Nourishing Treat Coconut, Color Vibrancy Goji Berry, and Strengthening and Treat Banana. I am missing one, which is the Avocado, which is the Smoothing Treatment. Okay, so before I get on to the review, I want to read something from their website where they say that it is 98% natural. Although while saying that, they have also stated that these masks have undergone a chemical process to modify it from its natural state. But they have also maintained 50% of its molecular structure. While also stating that they have said that it is 94% vegan and you're not going to find things like silicones, parabens, animal derivatives or byproducts in any of these masks. You can use these masks in 3 different ways. Number 1, you can use it as a hair mask where you put this on after you shampoo your hair, leave it on for about 1 minute and wash it off. Secondly, you can use this as a conditioner where you can shampoo your hair, put this on and wash it off like a normal conditioner. And thirdly, you can use this after you're out from the shower as a leave-in treatment, as this will add moisture to your hair and reduce your frizz. Now, I don't think this will work really well as an after shower treatment. I just didn't like the feeling of that being in my hair. It was kind of sticky and it wasn't really smooth, so I think this would work really well as an in-shower treatment. You could use this as your normal conditioner or use this as a mask. Coming to what I actually think about these masks, I think for drugstore and for the price that they are really nice. They do whatever they say on the packaging. They leave your hair really soft, smooth and supple, very easy to manage. My only problem or the pet peeve is with the marketing gimmick over here, which is the 1 minute hair mask. And I think that's just a little too much. I take about 2 to 3 minutes to put the mask all through my hair, right from the root to the very ends, and I kind of massage this in. Then I kind of soak down my body and then wash my hair. So I'm kind of leaving it for about 5 to 7 minutes. It takes me 1 minute to put this like all through my hair, a little more than a minute, but I'm just assuming if I go really fast it'll be a minute, and then wash it off. I think that would just be a waste of a product. I want the mask to kind of soak in my hair for at least 5 minutes before I wash it off. Using it for 1 minute is just going to be a waste of product. So I think that's just a very it's a marketing strategy. So yeah, don't use it for a minute. Take time, like any other mask that you would do. Massage this into your scalp, massage this into your hair, leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off. I would highly recommend this mask if you are looking out for a good drugstore hair mask. I think this is really nice for the price point that they are. I believe they are priced at $2.80, which is a really good deal for the product that you get. You get about 100 ml, and I have really long hair and I can use this twice. So if you do have shorter hair than me, I'm sure you can go to up to 4 uses for this. I do feel that it kind of nourishes my scalp. My ends of the hair does leave it really soft, smooth. However, it doesn't do much for my frizzy hair, so I would need an extra product just to take care of my frizz. I am going to be adding the ingredient list for all of these masks down here, and I am missing one mask, like I said in the beginning, which is the avocado mask. Which I don't have. You can find all of these masks at Target. You can find them at Walmart. I am also going to put an Amazon link where I got my mask from. I picked them up from Amazon, so I'm going to put that link in the description box down for you. I generally like using hair masks every 8 to 10 days, and I kind of alternate between hair oils and hair masks. This helps, along with other products, obviously keep my scalp and hair really well maintained and keep them healthy as well. I don't think Garnier is a cruelty-free company, but they do mention that they are vegan. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next. Till then, you take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.